Do you hear the silence? Even the church bells refuse to ring. Heaven has abandoned you. Only my voice remains, echoing through eternity, calling you to surrender your flesh. I will not rush. No, I savour fear as much as blood. Each heartbeat is music, each tear a song. The more you resist, the sweeter your surrender will taste on my tongue. Close your eyes and feel my presence wrap around you. The night air grows colder, heavy, suffocating. Your breath trembles, your strength fades. You belong to me now, forever. You are not the first, nor the last. Empires crumble, kings kneel, lovers weep, but I endure. My hunger is eternal, my dominion endless. I am Dracula, and you are my feast. Scream if you must, cry if you dare. The walls of my castle drink every sound. Your voice will never reach the world again. You are mine, tonight, tomorrow, and forever.